Today we are going to start Mathematics Part 2, Chapter number 7, Mensuration. So what we are going to study in this lesson? Mixed examples on surface area and volume of different solid figures, which you have already studied in 9th standard. Volume and surface area, that we have to revise here first. Then next, arc of a circle. In that we have to find out length of arc. And then area of a sector. Area of segment is reduced for this year. So let us recall some formulae which you have studied in 9th standard. Okay. So here some solid figures given. First is cuboid. Dimensions of cuboid are length, breadth and height. For length, letter L is used. For breadth, B, and height is H. So we have three formulae for cuboid. First formula, lateral surface area is equal to 2H into bracket L plus B. Now student, lateral surface area means the area of these four vertical faces. Formula is 2H into bracket L plus B. Second formula, total surface area equal to 2 into bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, bracket close. Third formula, volume of cuboid equal to LBH, means length into breadth into height. Okay. Second solid figure is cube. Each surface of cube is a square. So all sides of cubes are equal, and this each side is denoted by letter L. So first formula for cube, lateral surface area means surface area of these four vertical faces is equal to 4L square. Total surface area is equal to 6L square. And volume of cube is L cube, side cube. Third dimensional figure is cylinder. Cylinder has three surfaces. The upper surface and the base of the cylinder is circular shape. And this middle surface is called as curved surface. And dimensions of cylinder are, radius of the base is R and the height of the cylinder is denoted by letter H. First formula, curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. Second formula, total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi R into bracket R plus H. In this total surface area, we have area of upper surface, area of base plus area of this curved surface. Okay. Then third formula, volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi R square H. Fourth geometrical shape is cone. Cone is having two surfaces. The base of the cone is circular shape, which is flat surface, and this upper surface is curved surface. The base of cone is having radius R, and this point is called as vertex of the cone. So the segment joining the vertex and the center of the base is called as height of the cone, which is denoted as H. segment joining the vertex and any point on the base. This segment is called as slant height of a cone, which is denoted as letter L. So radius R, perpendicular height H and slant height L. These are the dimensions of cone. So first formula is slant height of cone L is calculated using formula square root of h square plus r square. Student, if you observe the figure, you can see that here the radius of the base, perpendicular height h and slant height L, these together form right angled triangle. And in this right angled triangle, this slant height is the hypotenuse. So by Pythagoras theorem, we got this formula. Slant height L is equal to square root h square plus r square. Or you can use directly the Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Okay. Next formula, curved surface area of cone means this upper surface. Pi r L. Next formula, total surface area of cone is equal to pi r into bracket r plus L. And last formula for cone, volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 into pi r square h. So these formulas are related to cone. Next shape is sphere. Sphere is having only one dimension, that is radius r. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Sphere is having only one surface. So the surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. And volume of sphere is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Then when you cut the sphere along the diameter, you will get two half spheres. And this half sphere is called as hemisphere. So hemisphere has two surfaces. This surface is a flat surface and this one is curved surface. So curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. And total surface area of this hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. And volume of sphere is equal to 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So this formula we already studied in 9th standard.